Welcome to DIY Chip Daddy. When you have too many keys like me, it is very bad for the car ignition right here. And eventually, because of the pressure and the weight, the car ignition eventually will not work. And you have to change the whole column right here on the car ignition. And also, you have to reprogram and recut all the new key for that new car ignitions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a way to release the pressure by putting a magnet here so the key can be hang over there, or as simple as a hanger which you can buy from Home Depot or Lowe's, and it depends on which way works better. Then I will stick with that one. I find two colors. One is silver and one is more like a gray color, and which is just the primer, and it should match out what is inside of the car. The other way is I find some hanger which is just have some 3M tape on it, and this one I painted with the primer so it match or kind of match the color inside the car, and see which way it work better. For the easy way, basically I just put the hanger right here, just stick that in right there, and I hang my key on top of it. And now you release all the pressure. The other way is I use the magnet. The other way is I plan to use a magnet like this, and at the back it has the 3M tape. So as long as I remove the 3M tape and clean this area real good, I put it right here, and it should stick to another magnet which I put on my keychain right there, and you will hold it like this. And as you can see, all the weight and pressure has been released, either on the hook or on the magnet. And I hope this will make my car ignition last longer, because I have so many keys putting pressure on it. Thank you for watching. And for whatever reason you did not like this, and you can easily remove later on by just remove the 3M tape, and you will back to normal, and you probably just have to put less key on your key change. Thank you for watching. After a couple try, I decided to use the magnet way, because by using the magnet, all I have to do is to remove the key and then just go. and I don't have to worry about unhooking and hooking on the bracket. So the magnet actually much user friendly. Thank you for watching.